Hey, Royal Babe. So these kits is our enzyme kits for hyperpigmentation, dark marks, uneven skin tone. It comes with a soap, exfoliating pouch to exfoliate your skin. It comes with a no-waste soap rack. It also has a enzyme mask that comes with this spoon. The mask can use up to about 10 to 15 times. You also receive a free keychain as well. It also comes with the carrot seed oil serum. And so this is the complete kit. All you need to do is add your favorite moisturizer, skin protecting moisturizer with FPF, and you are set. These kits are now available on our website, so go ahead and grab yours now.